Jingkran kan tha uba Sanbor Shulai UMLA ke BJP ya UMP uba Vincent H Pala kala penbitari unong yalam ke Kongres uba Ronnie V Lingdo hanin ke sngi uba Sanbor ula kan tha ya uba Pala ba umle AA banwan ra kampen roy ke jela hakini ki sansnam lait no tangban shubam Sohot hakendong ha parliament haba Ther kala halor kani uba Ronnie ula ti kala ya uba Sanbor ba ju Kren AA Ïing Dorbar nalor ba ju khamwan chaka Dorbar thawan ka jala uba Ronnie ulaong balada uba Sanbor ushuan ban shong hapo ka Ïing Dorbar kamdon jingmut bat kan bhaya uba unshong haying.
You see, then you find out how many times Sanbor Shulai has attended the assembly, how many times has he spoken in the assembly. Okay. And then regarding Pala, I think a lot of work has been done by him. He is a very quiet man. He doesn't, seek publicity like some of these politicians. A lot of things he has done for us, and I think a lot of projects that have been undertaken in the state of Meghalaya is due to his effort. And then a lot he has spoken in the parliament, and that we will share it with you later on. But the allegation of Sanbor rings hollow because he himself hardly speaks in the house, hardly attends the house. And I think you are all aware whether he came or not. But have you heard him speaking in the house?
Yeah, he came.
Have you heard? Huh?
Yeah.
He came, but have you just coming to the house?
Did he speak
and not
anything
saying
this time?
anything? You might as well stay back home, as good as staying back at home. So his allegation rings hollow because maybe he doesn't, follow the proceedings in Parliament, where Mr. Vincent Pala, MP of Shillong Turasi, has, participated in the House to address issues concerning the state of Meghalaya.